Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're brewing the perfect cup of Darjeeling tea, known as the champagne of teas. Start by heating fresh water to 195 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius. Avoid boiling to preserve delicate flavors. Use 1 teaspoon of Darjeeling tea per cup. Place the tea in your teapot or infuser. Pour the hot water over the leaves. Let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Steep for 3 minutes for a lighter taste or 5 minutes for a stronger brew. Strain the tea into your cup, observing the golden color and inhaling the aromatic notes. Enjoy the unique muscatel flavor with every sip, and there you have it, the perfect cup of Darjeeling tea. Savor its elegance. Thanks for joining us at Tea and Coffee Explorers. Explore the finest coffee and tea-making tools we recommend by visiting our affiliate links for special offers. Subscribe for more brewing tips and tea adventures.